mga member nyo.
Yes! Yes, you are right. That was, gosh, a long time ago.
1989, 1990, 91.
Yung bundok. Alam mo, there's not many sa amin, when our fruit trees, this awesome birds, grow something after. So I wanted to grow bayaba. Sabi ni Peter, lahat ng animals magiging nila kukuha ng bayaba.
The possum, the bush rat. What's a bird?
Yung ano, yung moving mosquito possum ng Australia eh. Ice Age. Ice Age.
Kaya.
Yeah, like yung friend ni yung kapatid ni ko ng elephant. Nakagat ako niyan. No?
Kaya, yan. Si yung makanta na
Siyang malaking rat.
Yeah.
physicality.